Hello everyone, myself Om Prakash Galav. I am traditional potter from Rajasthan. My studio's name is Ramgarh Clay Pottery. I do work in terracotta. I have received some awards from Government of India like National Award, some international award from World Craft Council and other organizations. Today I am sharing with you my studio visit, and generally you see my work at my Instagram and Facebook and you feel how we do work. So today I am sharing this video and you will see my team like my younger brothers how we do work together. Thank you. I am showing you our workshop first where we work together and make some pieces. Here is our workshop. He is Anil, my younger brother.
Namaste.
And here is Chetan.
Hello.
And here Ishwar.
Hello.
He is making some sculpture. And here our younger brother Karan.
Hello.
And you can see our clay behind his. Now I am showing you our tools. Here are some our wooden tools. We use them in throwing and sculpting. These are our turning tools. We use these for turning. These are generally our handmade. These are the tools we use for burnishing and to give the mirror shining for our pots. Finally, here are some cutting blades. We use these for cut or tea lights, lamps. You can see how sharp are these. Here are our some complete pieces. You can see the tea lights, water bottles, some big pots with high burnishing, big platter, big pots. Here you can see the cups, lanterns, some lids, some plates and cooking utensils, another one big platter. Now I am going to roof for show you our firing section and our outlet and office. Here is our firing section. We have 3 kilns on roof. 2 are traditional and 1 is for high temperature. I am showing you first our traditional kilns. These have proper air ventilation on the roof for heat. You can see. Now I am showing you from the top of our kiln. We fired this yesterday and you can see the result of our firing, Sagar firing. Generally see our products. You can see the beautiful effect on this. And I have some water jugs also in this and some big pots also. Here is our another kiln where we fire our high temperature products like crockery. You can see we fire our products here around 950 degree to 1050 degree. These days now I am testing some glazes also for make tableware more efficient. Here is our some wooden stock. You can see. Now I am showing you some our unique pieces. This functional iron made by our grandfather. This is around 60-year-old. And this another casserole is made on traditional wheel by our great grandfather. And this is around 80-year-old. Here are some of my certificates and world records, and you can see beautiful Buddha also and other work too. These are some of our big pots with high burnishing and Sagar fired. These pots have beautiful effects, and these are all lockdown creation. You can see another Buddha and pillar with cutting. Here are some big pot and another cut pots. Miniatures in frame and hanging. This hookah, jali. This is my office, and here is my father's photo, whom I learned pottery, and my national award certificates and Tamrapatra and some other art pieces here. And here are my some other award certificates which are displayed on wood. Here are some other artwork, and see the beautiful round window in my office. This is beautiful happy baby face table. Everybody like this. This is really very nice. So friends, this was our studio. I hope you liked this. I pleasure to invite my friends at my studio, and I like to host them. So I request you to visit my studio once you visit Rajasthan. Thank you for watching us.